Hey everybody, welcome into the Gargoyle's Den. I'm Gargoyle, of course. And today we are going to do an extra car. I have a Mazda RX-7 here. I'm going to do another JDM build for the Four Horsemen, even though I've already done one. I had the extra time, and like I said, I used to own the Mazda RX-7, so I really wanted to do this one. It's a brand new casting, just took it out of the package, so there's inherently nothing wrong with it. But we're going to switch out the rims as always, and then I want to do some paint and decals on it. So let's go ahead and get into it. I've got it drilled apart already, just got to use the gentle pry action here. Try and get the body apart. Might have to drill it out a little more, which is fine because, oh, there we go. Got the back part at least. I'm going to drill out the front just a little more. I'd rather have to drill it again than have drilled too much. Persuader, and there she is. Like I said, it's brand new, so there's nothing wrong with the glass or anything like that, so we just set all that to the side. Pull off the wheels that we don't want on it. Go ahead and open up the tabs. See how the new wheels fit perfectly. So I'm already here, might as well go ahead and glue them in, right? And of course, because it's plastic based, we can just use regular super glue gel because it adheres to the plastic. Make sure they're centered and sitting level. Bob Smith Industries activator. Oops. Put it on upside down. Stuck it right through. There. We're halfway done already. This should be a quick video. Alright, I'm going to go drill this in the drill press and then take a regurgitation juice to get the yellow off of it. And I'll be back. Alright, got her all done and ready. This is where we started, in case you forgot. And this is where we ended up. Hope you guys like it. But let's be honest, that's not why everybody's here today. Not for this car. Everybody's here for the special announcement. Yeah, we got a special announcement. I finally reached 500 subscribers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a little bit of a giveaway. I have that box that I was putting together that some of you guys know about. It's supplies for somebody that hopefully is in the hobby with us. Doesn't matter who it is, if it's somebody that's been around the hobby for years or if it's a brand new person. Doesn't matter to me as long as they use the stuff. It is going to be US and Canada only. And if somebody from Canada wins, chances are I'm just going to send them some money to buy stuff. Because that'd be cheaper than trying to send the box there through the mail. As long as that's okay with everybody, we'll handle that one. Now the other thing is I didn't want just that person to be the only winner. So what I'm going to do is I've got some other cars and such that I'm going to give away individually to some winners. I want to have 7 winners total. And what you guys got to do is you got to subscribe, obviously. And I want you to leave a comment on this video, something to do with 500 subscribers. Whether it's congratulations or here's to the next 500 or whatever you want to put. Just make sure you say 500 subscribers. You got to have your subscribers set to public so that I can actually verify that you are subscribed if your name is drawn. That's another thing. This is the first time doing this, so yeah, I've got to download the comment picker and all that and learn how to use that. So I'll try to get it all done before I try making the video. But I'm going to give you guys 1 week from today to get entered into the drawing or whatever. And then in a week I'll make a video where I do the drawing and where I also pull the names for the different vehicles. These are all the different vehicles I'm talking about. Now, with this, I had said these two right here were going to be part of the box. This is actually from Maple Leaf Customs Porsche giveaway day. Andrew was nice enough to let me hold on to it to give away my 500 subscriber. A gift for that. This is actually from House of Cars, Ripon, California. I got this. This is one of the extra ones they sent me on accident when I was trying to get my 2 after the show last year. If any of you guys watched that video or remember it. They sent me 2 sets of them instead of 1 set. And I asked them if they wanted me to send them back. They said no. They said keep them. So I told them I would pass them on to somebody in the community. So I gave one away when Jody Sims did the race, the death race. And one is going with the box, whoever wins the box. So these 2 are spoken for. The rest of these, however, will be names that I draw. We got the Sprite Chase. I happened to pick that up at Hobby Lobby. I have 2 of them. One for my collection, and I've got that one. That I got at Hobby Lobby. These 64 I got from Mattel Creations. I don't remember where I got this one. I think I bought it at Walmart, but I'm not positive. I don't remember where I got the Maestro designs either, but I'm not a transport person, so hopefully whoever gets those will appreciate those. Anyway, that's all that I got for that. Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything. If I am, I apologize. I'll make up for it somehow. But yeah, you got 1 week. Leave a comment, 500 subscribers. Make sure you're subscribed and your subscriptions are set to public so that I can verify it if I don't know who you are. You know, obviously if you're somebody that I see all the time, I'm going to know you're subscribed. So, alright. Thanks for getting me to 500, guys, and I will see you in a week.